Hi guys, it's Dale with the insurance. Today we're talking about a coverage that applies to our roadies, our truck drivers, which do a job that I completely and utterly respect. I love driving, but I couldn't cut it on the road driving an 18-wheeler from coast to coast. So props to you guys. Hopefully you guys are being safe and cautious. So if you're a personal driver like me, I give them all the room and all the respect on the road that I can, because I know that it's a dangerous occupation. But the title of this article is all you should know about commercial truck insurance, right? And off the bat, you think of personal auto insurance, and no, personal auto insurance does not cover kind of your cargo or your commercial truck, right? So you need actually commercial truck insurance for that. But like personal auto, it's required by law, right? As you could imagine, these trucks can be very expensive and they can do a lot of damage. So if there is an accident, chances are you're not going to want to pay that out of pocket. A lot of us don't have the wherewithal or the financial capability to pay it out of pocket. So that's another reason to have this insurance. And then what you're hauling, not just the vehicle itself, but what you're hauling could be very expensive. You can provide protection for that cargo with commercial trucking insurance. And then also to provide kind of a surety to your business partners, your clients, that you know what, I am a sound driver, I run a sound company, and even if something, because accidents do happen, even if something were to happen, I have X, Y, and Z in terms of coverage, right? So you will be made whole if your cargo or your goods that I'm shipping, I'm driving to the other side of the country, doesn't make it for some odd reason. Like most things, there are kind of additional coverages that the article lists probably 10, maybe more, and there are even more than that, but there are a few that you need to kind of key in on, right? So some are kind of non-trucking liability, right? When a truck is kind of one of your trucks are used for not its business purposes, right? And an accident happens, then you actually have coverage for your truck. Non-owned trailer damage, right? So if the trailer is damaged, you don't own it, it's still property that's in your possession, you don't own it, but you could get kind of additional coverage for that. You've got your warehouse. Typically, if you own and operate a truck or a fleet of them, you've got to place that cargo somewhere, right? You're not going to leave it in the truck. So most of the time, these trucks and these businesses have associated warehouses. You get warehouse liability coverage to cover the products while they're being warehoused. You've got your normal workers' comp, just like any business, small, medium, or large. But for commercial trucking liability, you have another option that's specifically for kind of owner operators, right? Like you own and operate your own truck, right? Where you're kind of a small business, a one-man shop, maybe a few other drivers that drive your truck, but it's you and you go into business with the client and ship their goods or drive their goods from one place to another. You don't want workers' comp. There's occupational accident coverage that you can get, right? It doesn't completely cover everything that work comp does, but it's a very, very good option. And as you're looking at commercial trucking insurance, just like your personal auto insurance, they're going to look at your driving record. You'll need your driving record. You'll need your VIN numbers. You'll need your proof of current insurance to actually have them quote you. And then the things that'll affect your premium quite the same as your personal auto. Your driving record, the objective attributes of your truck, right? Truck age, the condition, safety features, things like that. The type of cargo that you drive, the typical distances that you drive, if you've taken any kind of extra defensive courses, defensive driving courses and things like that. So some of those things, what you need to bring to the table to actually get a quote, and some of the things that your rate will be based off on is very similar to kind of your personal auto. But once again, the actual coverages and obviously the risk is a little different. So there are some nuances that are different between personal auto and commercial. So once again, this is for our truck drivers. I hope that you guys are driving safely. You have safe routes, safe driving, and safe trips. And hopefully this is helpful. There's a lot more information in the article, so dig into it. But hopefully this is helpful, and thanks for stopping by, guys. Take care. Bye.
Hey guys, thanks for watching our video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more awesome content. And if you really liked it, hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. We love hearing from you. We love hearing from our viewers. So be sure to leave a comment below with your thoughts on this video, and we'll see you in the next one.